Hello friends, advising and guidance anyone can do, but being an example is my way. For successful trade in a share market, I use Ichimoku indicator and price action as a key for my strategy. As I said in my previous videos, apart from the strategies, the mindset, money management and the method, these are the key factors to win a trade in a stock market. To success in any trade, you should have the emotional control. I'm going to share you my last 10 days profit and loss screenshots. Let's have a look. Alright, these are the trades I have taken with a capital of 25,000 in my new account in last 10 days. Isn't it look more than 100%? Yes, so the profit was more than 100%. Learn Ichimoku and price action, build your own strategy and earn money in the market. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, be connected. Nandri.